The Courtyard House by Atelier Varun Goyal in BHILAI, India. The primary inspiration for the Courtyard House project was the idea of fostering family togetherness within a modern context. The key concept was to create two separate yet interconnected homes for two brothers from a joint family, preserving their strong bond while respecting their individual needs for privacy. The central courtyard emerged as the core element, symbolizing unity and providing a shared space for both households. The design was guided by a contemporary and contextual theme, blending contemporary aesthetics with the local context, and the overarching philosophy emphasized minimalism and a deep connection with nature. Privacy considerations. Balancing the desire for family togetherness with individual privacy within each home was an ongoing challenge. The design needed to provide options for seclusion and intimacy while fostering unity and connectivity. Environmental factors. BHILAI's climate, with its hot summers, influenced various aspects of the project, from insulation to shading. Ensuring the interior spaces remained comfortable without excessive reliance on artificial cooling was a continuous consideration. Composition and design of fenestrations. Maximizing natural light through well-placed windows and skylights was crucial for energy efficiency and aesthetics. Achieving the desired play of light and shadow while maintaining privacy within the house required detailed window design and precise execution. Also, these windows connected the interior with the neighborhood. Kitchen. The most significant challenge in the design process was the creation of functional kitchens for an Indian joint family, while maintaining the minimalist and contemporary aesthetic of the project. This required a delicate balance between functionality, storage, and aesthetics in relatively limited kitchen spaces. The solution was to adopt an open kitchen concept, which successfully promoted interaction during meal preparations, making cooking a communal and enjoyable experience for all family members. The construction of the Courtyard House project employed modern RCC construction techniques to ensure structural integrity and energy efficiency. The bricks used for making walls were locally available terracotta bricks. The principal materials used in the interior included Indian marble. Different varieties of Indian marbles were utilized for flooring and finishes, introducing an element of elegance and tradition to the design. Terrazzo flooring. Terrazzo, along with marble inlays, were laid as art inserts in the flooring at some strategic places in the house, also reusing all the waste generated during the work, hence aligning with sustainability principles. Reclaimed teak wood. Reclaimed teak wood was thoughtfully integrated, adding warmth, history, and a connection to heritage within the contemporary design. Local materials. Local materials were prioritized wherever possible to minimize the project's environmental impact. All the materials used were sourced from within the country, keeping the carbon footprint very low. The spatial configuration of the Courtyard House was meticulously planned to balance family interactions and individual privacy. Here's a more detailed breakdown of the spatial layout and the main reasons behind it. Central courtyard. The central courtyard was a pivotal shared space connecting the two homes. It symbolized familial unity and was accomplished by carefully positioning the living pavilions around it, allowing easy access from both sides. Distinct homes and living areas. Each home featured distinct living areas, including formal drawing rooms, family spaces, dining areas, and open kitchens. This layout catered to individual comfort and functionality, ensuring each family had a private space. Private retreats. The bedrooms, each equipped with attached washrooms and dressers, were meticulously designed to provide private retreats for family members. This configuration emphasized personal comfort and convenience. Distinct main and service entrances. Each home featured distinct main entrances, and separate service entrances were also created for discrete staff movement, enhancing the practicality and efficiency of the household operations. Optimal ventilation and natural light. the strategic placement of fenestrations, windows, and skylights was designed to maximize natural ventilation and daylight. This improved the overall living experience and reduced reliance on artificial lighting and climate control.